Hey guys, let me get over there, man. Hold your horses a minute. Okay. This is my Bosh Bulldog Extreme, my SDS hammer drill. I promised you guys and girls out there a video, and I'm going to show you what this can do. Now, it has a chisel function, a drill function, a hammer and drill function, and it's also reversible, and it's variable speed. Your handle moves around very easy. You just press this down, the thing moves around. Well, I thought it did anyway. Maybe it's just dirty. Well, maybe it doesn't. I'll tell you what, oh, there we go. I have to twist that around. So that moves around. Let's, you know what, I'll be honest with you, I don't know what the hell that red button does. I'm going to have to read the directions. This is your SDS plus bit. These drills only take SDS. You can't put just any drill bit in these. What you do is you pull that little end back. Now the tip is like rubberized, so you put this in here, and it's a little tricky to get in and seat, but once it seats, it doesn't come out. We're going to drill a hole in my concrete floor. I'm pretty sure there's no water lines here. Now there's also a depth gauge too. That's right, I remember now. That's what the button's for. Your depth gauge. So you can put your depth gauge in. Yeah, that's what that red button's for. I remember now. So this is about, what, I guess maybe 1, 2, this is about 3 inches. Okay, I got it on drill and hammer drill. I'm pretty sure there's no water lines here. So here we go. That's how fast it drills a hole in concrete. Now the one thing I'm glad I did, I never knew how thick my concrete was. Now I know how thick it is. My concrete, it looks like it's only about 2 inches thick. So I'm kind of glad I did that. I always wanted to see how thick this concrete was, because this was put down in 1944. But you guys seen, that was a 2-inch hole. That's how easy it is to drill a hole in concrete with one of these bad boys. If you're going to drill into concrete, my friend, you're not doing it without one of these.